Clarabelle, the cow who wouldn't produce milk. There are two cowboys. Their names are Hank and Earl. They're friends. On Monday, Earl goes to Hank's farm. "Hello, Hank."
"Hi, Earl. How are you?"
"Not so great. I have a problem with my cow, Clarabelle."
"What's the problem? Can I help you?"
"Clarabelle is sad, and when she's sad, she doesn't produce milk." Hank thinks. He thinks and he thinks and he thinks.
I have an idea. Does Clarabelle want to listen to music? Maybe, if Clarabelle listens to music, she will produce milk.
Good idea, Hank. Earl goes home. He listens to music with Clarabelle. They listen to jazz. They listen to rock. They also listen to trap music. But Clarabelle doesn't like to listen to music. Clarabelle is sad. On Tuesday, Earl goes to Hank's farm again. Hank, Clarabelle doesn't like listening to music. She's sad and she won't produce milk. Do you have another idea? Hank thinks. He thinks and he thinks and he thinks.
I have an idea. Does Clarabelle want to swim? Perhaps, if Clarabelle swims, she will produce milk.
Good idea, Hank. Earl goes home. He goes to the pool with Clarabelle. Clarabelle goes into the pool, but she doesn't swim. Clarabelle doesn't like to swim. Clarabelle is sad. On Wednesday, Earl goes to Hank's farm again. Hank, Clarabelle doesn't like swimming. She is sad and she doesn't produce milk. Do you have another idea? Hank thinks. He thinks and he thinks and he thinks.
I have an idea. Does Clarabelle want to travel? Maybe if Clarabelle travels, she will produce milk.
Good idea, Hank. Earl returns home. He thinks. He thinks and he thinks and he thinks. A trip with a cow is complicated. A long trip is impossible. Earl decides to take a short trip with Clarabelle. A very short trip, actually. He decides to travel with Clarabelle to Hank's farm. So on Thursday, Clarabelle and Earl travel to Hank's farm. When they arrive, Clarabelle sees Hank's cow, who is named Buttercup. This is the first time Clarabelle has seen another cow. Suddenly, Clarabelle is not sad. She is happy. She is happy because she sees a cow. It's a miracle. Clarabelle doesn't want to listen to music. She doesn't want to swim. She wants a friend. Now Clarabelle and Buttercup are good friends. Hank and Earl are good friends too. Friends are important, aren't they? And of course, Clarabelle produces a lot of milk now.